Now, the next thing that we are going to discuss here is the Photos tab. So to discuss that, I need a clear canvas here. So like I said, it's easy to get rid of all this stuff. You can just click on delete page and you have the fresh canvas right here. Now let's discuss about the Photos tab. Just keep in mind that if you want to use the photos that you have uploaded, you will not come in this section to find it. You will go to the upload section to find your photos. Now, these photos are basically where you are searching for the stock photography that you might want to use in your project. And the best thing about Canva is there are a lot of stock photos and sceneries that you can avail for free. A lot of them are free. Some of them are paid as well, as you can see here, but most of them are free. So basically, it's a great way to save time. Obviously, if you can't find the stock images here, you need to download it from Google Images or some other websites. It will take some time to download and get those images. Like for example, if you want to create a birthday flyer really quickly, let me just try another design. Since we are creating a flyer, we will search for the flyer portrait. And now let's say if I want to design a birthday flyer, I'll go to photos and click on here and write birthday, and you can get a lot of backgrounds for free. Some of them are paid. Actually, most of them are paid, but again, you can use a lot of them for free. And if you want to make sure that it is under the same orientation, you can write vertical here, apply filters, and then you will find the suitable images that you can place directly right here. Now, although this photos area is pretty basic, we will still learn what we can do to customize it in a smarter way. So let's say if I want to design something here, let's say click on this one. Once you insert the photo, if you click on it, you will see these handles here. The corner handles means that you can proportionally resize the photo to the smaller size or the larger size. And this one means that you are basically cropping the image. If the image is larger one, you can't see it all here. For example, let's say some vertical image so that you can understand it in a proper way. For example, some of the images, let's say this one. So this one is used to proportionally resize it. And if I use this handle, you can see that it is used to crop the image. So for example, if I want the image up to this point only, you can simply crop it like this. And if we move it up or down from here, it will proportionally resize it, the whole image. But if we use this option, it is also used to crop the image. And again, we will double click to see the whole image. For example, if you want to adjust the image within this area that you have defined just right now, so let's say you want this kind of image. So what you can do is basically double click and start moving the images. It will show the background adjustment of it, and once you click anywhere outside the box, it will set the image right here. So basically what we have seen is about the handles. From these corner round dots, you're not just adjusting the image, but you are reducing and increasing the size of basically the whole frame in the same proportion. And once you use this handle, it can be used to crop the image. And again, the double click is used to adjust the image anywhere within that defined range. Now there are some other settings as well. For example, if you want to flip your image, you can flip it like this, flip horizontally, you can flip it vertically like this. So you can notice the direction is changing. Now under the edit image, again, you can edit all of these settings. You can apply filters to it. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation. And you have some more options if you click on the adjust option directly. And again, for the food images particularly, if you take shots of your images by your own and you're not using the stock photos, even if you click on the upload and click on the image, it will be inserted in the same way. And then you might need to enhance the colors specifically for food promotion or restaurant promotion. You might need to edit it and make it more photogenic. Let's say you need to enhance the colors So you can do it like this. It's not always nice, but for some particular images it might be a great option. And again, if you want to apply filters instead, let me just get rid of this and make it none. And for the filters, you can basically use all of these. And as you can see, for the food images, it kind of looks nice. When we enhance this, the original photo looks like this and the festive looks like this. And then we have all the other options as well, depending on the type of the food. And we can always add the filter to make it look more appealing. And again, you can make some more adjustments to it once you finalize your filter, that is increasing or decreasing the intensity. As you can see, you have the controls here. If we click on it, you can set the intensity of that filter. So that is pretty cool, and that is very convenient as well. You don't need to use Photoshop. If you're not a professional graphic designer, these kind of softwares are a little bit tougher than Canva, as you all may know.